Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do medical research in high school. First, identify a research question that genuinely interests you. Explore various medical fields to find your niche, perhaps focusing on a specific disease or biological process. Seeking out mentors or programs can provide invaluable guidance, and always understand the ethical guidelines for any research you undertake. Once you have a topic, formulate a clear, testable hypothesis to guide your work. Next, design a research methodology outlining how you will collect and analyze data. If your project involves human subjects, obtaining necessary approvals, such as from an institutional review board, is crucial. Finally, gather and organize all your research materials efficiently. Now it's time to execute your research plan meticulously, paying close attention to every detail. Collect your data accurately and consistently to ensure reliable results. Then, analyze your findings using appropriate statistical methods to uncover patterns and insights. Finally, interpret your results, discussing them in the context of your initial hypothesis and broader medical knowledge. After completing your research, it's time to share your discoveries. Write a comprehensive research paper detailing your methods, results, and conclusions. Create a compelling presentation or poster to visually communicate your work. Practice explaining your research clearly and concisely, and consider submitting your project to science fairs or high school research journals to gain valuable experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.